What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena KDA right here. As you guys can see, $3.14, ranked 85, 271,000 people on the watch list, market cap under 600 million. So we keep moving the ranks on KDA. When I made the video a week ago, we were at 106, and we went to 101, 94, 90, and now 85. We were actually at 86 a minute ago, and now we are at 85. We're going to be having a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be having a look at GDP. Can a recession be happening soon? And of course, guys, my Twitter. I'm almost at 1,000 followers because of you, KDA fam, Canadians, guys. I talk a lot about Kadena on this channel and on my Twitter. So if you guys don't want to miss a tweet and don't want to miss a video, don't forget to smash that like, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and it will also push. The algorithm will push my videos out, and more people will know about Kadena. So let's build this community together and like this video. Let's have a look at let's dive into Bitcoin real quick. Just a small technical analysis on Bitcoin and where we can go. Bitcoin right now is making higher lows. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, but we are also on this triangle that Bitcoin is still sitting at. The question is are we gonna break down below, or are we going to break to the top? Well, of course, if that happens, we're going to see a massive move in the altcoins. Of course, if Bitcoin goes up, maybe retest the 200 moving average, we could see a massive surge on the altcoins on the daily time frame. I mean, on the 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin still needs to retest a 200 EMA ribbon, which is right here. Obviously, as the day goes by, the EMA ribbon comes down. So can we potentially retest that at 35,000? Very possible. We're going to have to see where this goes. Now, someone said something interesting about Kadena right here. Before I get into a Kadena TA analysis, someone says, KDA, for you all holding a big bag, just exercise caution. We are going to have a big dip. Don't let the current market status fool you. We are in a recession and into a bear market. Yes, I agree with him. Now, a recession is when you have two consecutive quarters negative in GDP, okay? And right here, we had a GDP growth right here of minus 1.4. That was the rate. So we had 1 quarter of recession. And we know that when we have recessions, everything tends to crash, like the 2018 bubble right here, or stock market and real estate crash right here. So the thing is how long is this going to last? Now, we're going to need to wait until the June numbers. If we have a negative number in June, it could cause a lot of panic into the market. End of June, I believe. April, May, June. Yeah, end of June. So we're going to have to see when the numbers come out in Q2. If the Q2 are negative, we could see a huge sell-off into the financial markets, such as stocks, crypto, and the gold market. We're going to have to see. But right here, we saw the dip in 2008. We saw this nice little V recovery shape in COVID-19, a very short one. It was like 3 weeks, something like that. Then boom, we took off. And now we're currently sitting right now. A lot of people are calling a massive recession, one of the biggest ones in ages. With inflation happening, we're gonna have to see where this goes. So that's that on recession. I mean, yes, we do have to be careful. I do agree with that comment, but that does not mean that you should sell. I mean, I'm not a financial advice. If you guys want to sell, you go ahead. I'm not selling KDAs whatsoever. I mean, I'm a long-term holder. Let me remove this real quick. So having a look at Kadena, I mean, this thing has been pumping. This thing doesn't stop. It keeps pumping. Freaking fantastic. Anyways, we do have a slight resistance right here, as you guys can see, at $4.5. We had a nice little beautiful rebound right here, but that's on the 2-day time frame. Of course, on the daily time frame, it's kind of the same. We had a nice dip yesterday, okay? I actually bought the dip yesterday because I don't want to be greedy. I bought it around 2.68, something like that. It came down to 2.69, 63, 62. What is this? It came down to 2.63. I bought at 2.69. Very nice dip. Okay, I am up, but I hope it comes down lower. Maybe we're gonna see a nice double bottom right here on KDA coming down and retest 1.71. Of course, this is a new strong support that we're gonna be looking at. Next resistance would be this one. Let's have a look at the moving averages real quick on KDA Kadena on the 200 moving average. Can we come back and retest this level right here at 8.8? I know a lot of people said that we could come back and retest the 200 moving average on the daily time frame, but I don't know. On the 4-hour time frame, we are sitting at 4.1, which is actually something very interesting. I think this moving average is more likely to be retested than any other moving averages right here. If we zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, we do have a short double top right here on Kadena. So that's obviously the neckline for the double top. If we manage to break this resistance, we could come and retest the 200 moving average right here, which would be a 23% pump. Yesterday, there was the KD swap launch. I know a lot of people were disappointed with that. I know Ryan was disappointed with the KD swap. People couldn't get in. With the KYC, there was a whole mess about it. I mean, people just couldn't swap and couldn't buy, and people were just very disappointed for the launch. But KD swap did apologize for that on Twitter, and that's about it. But let's have a look at some of the RSI's level real quick. We are seeing, I don't want to call it a bearish divergence yet, but if we do make a essentially a higher high right here, and this keeps coming down, we could see a bearish divergence on Kadena. As of right now, the RSI is coming down and this is staying straight. We're going to have to see where this plays off. If we have a look on the 1 hour time frame, also nothing too crazy right here. Not yet. We aren't seeing any bearish divergence yet. But we do have a double top right here, which is pretty bearish, guys. So we're going to have to see where and how this plays out. If you guys are holding Kadena, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video for daily content on crypto and weekly, a lot of weekly content on Kadena. And link in the description below, guys, on my Twitter. So that's about it. If you guys like this video, once again, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. KDA to the moon, baby. Let's go.